My name is Tanya Zepina and welcome to 3-Minute Data Science. Today I'm going to talk about statistical significance. We do hear those words a lot. These results are statistically significant at a 95% confidence level. What does that mean? What they describe is the likelihood of those results occurring merely due to chance. So for 95% confidence level, we estimate that the likelihood is less than 5%. So in less than 5% of cases, we're gonna see this as a false positive or result occurring due to chance. Now, how do we get those numbers? How do we calculate? Let me use an example. If we compare average height of men to average height of women, we're going to want to know if the difference is statistically significant. And that's exactly how it's calculated. We calculate the difference and then we compare it to 0. And when we compare it to 0, we express how far it is from 0 in statistical terms. So how many standard deviations away are we from 0? And if we're far enough, then we can say that, yes, this difference is statistically significant, means different from 0 at a certain confidence level. Let me talk about practical implication of this concept. This happens a lot in business. We run some sort of a test or a program and we get excited when we analyze it and we start sub-segmenting and looking at different comparisons that we might, hoping that we might find something that's statistically significant. The more chances we take at running the numbers, the higher the likelihood of us observing something statistically significant when it's not, the false positive. So this is where the experience of the analyst comes in. The analyst would look and say, okay, based on the ratio of the number of comparisons that we ran and the number of statistically significant results we got, we believe that those are real or maybe not real. So what do you do if you have doubts? Well, the best way to go about it is to replicate the results. Run the test one more time, see if the results are similar. Another way of going about it is to seek outside information from an independent source that could confirm your results. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions about data science, please feel free to ask in the comments.